If you're growing microgreens or thinking about starting a business, you already know that there is a lot to juggle. Tracking trays, figuring out pricing, remembering what needs to be done each day, managing deliveries, and so much more. It can really add up fast. Most people try to manage it all in spreadsheets or notebooks, and that can work for a while, but sooner or later you start wondering, am I actually making money, or what should I focus on next? After running one of Canada's largest microgreens farms, I realized every grower, whether you're a beginner to experienced producers, faced the same challenge. There wasn't an easy way to understand your numbers and manage your production in one place. That's why I built Microgreens IQ and CoPilot to bring clarity, confidence, and direction into your farm. Let's start with Microgreens IQ. This is your financial dashboard. It tracks every crop and every mix you grow. You can instantly see your profit per tray, profit per clamshell, and margins across your entire farm. But the real power is the forecasting. IQ doesn't just tell you how you're doing right now, it helps you build and plan your income month by month by forecasting your future revenue and profits based on your current production and your farm's growth. You'll see which crops are most profitable, which ones aren't, and how much you can expect to make in the months ahead, so you can plan your growth with confidence. Then there's Microgreens CoPilot, your daily operations manager. This is where all your orders go, and it automatically tells you exactly what needs to get done today, next week, and even next month. It takes your orders, crop data, and delivery schedule and turns them into simple, actionable tasks. You can even automate your delivery routes with built-in AI that connects to Google Maps directly, saving hours every week while keeping your deliveries efficient and on time. And as a bonus, it also includes my personal recommended crop recipes so you can start growing faster and with consistent results. Together, Microgreens IQ and CoPilot give you a complete picture of your business. You'll finally see what's working and what's not. You'll know exactly which crops make you money, how your farm is performing, and what to focus on next. Instead of guessing or juggling spreadsheets, you'll have clarity, confidence, and direction every single day. If you're ready to run your farm smarter and more profitably, check out Microgreens IQ and CoPilot below. You can get started today and instantly build a smarter, more profitable microgreens farm.